everyone, today in this video I'm going to be checking out the Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze Complete. Tineco did send me the sample, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging, walking us through some of its key features. So let's go ahead, let's open this up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our instruction manual available in multiple languages, walking you through everything you need to know about maintenance, troubleshooting, warranty information, how to actually use and operate your wet dry vac. This does come with a 2-year warranty, and they have their customer service and contact information front and center. Next, you'll notice we have 2 included bottles of cleaning solution, both 9.5 fluid ounces. We have an extra foam filter. We have our power supply and adapter right here with barrel connector. We have an extra main roller brush. We have our wet dry vac handle that we have to install with our 2 control buttons on it. We also have our main station right here for the wet dry vac to sit on. And last but not least, the wet dry vac itself. Let's look at this in more detail. Looking at the front of the unit, we have our clean water tank up at the top and our dirty water tank down at the bottom. The Tineco logo and branding front and center. Removing the clean water tank reveals our easy fill spout, and we have our max level indicator there, with instructions for proper tap water temperature. Don't exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can add 1 cap of solution per 1 full clean water tank. Removing the dirty water tank reveals our max indicator line, letting us know when it's full, and our washable filter right here. So take a look at that. Then we can pull this lid off to reveal the inside to easily wash, clean, and dry as needed. Same with this section as well too with our float. If there's any buildup of debris, we can easily clean as needed. Moving further down, the unit reveals our main brush roller here with the Tineco logo and branding, and a release to pop this cover off for easy maintenance, and to get access to our main brush roller to remove as needed. Here's a side profile view for you, and a look at the other side. Looking at the back side of the unit, up at the top, we have their customer service and contact info, additional product info, then some warnings and disclaimers down here. This is where you're going to charge your wet dry vac, so they have the charging port clearly labeled for us. And then looking at the very bottom, we have our 2 main wheels here, followed by 2 additional smaller roller wheels, and then we have the main brush roller itself. Let's plug it in, charge it up, and try it out.